What's up, guys? So I went on Amazon this morning and I bought LED lights, headlights, and then rear LED reverse lights for this '06 Chevy Impala. It's an SS, but that doesn't really matter. Pretty sure the LEDs, as far as the headlights, they're gonna stop flickering. Obviously I have speakers, and sometimes at night the headlights start to flicker a little bit. I think the LEDs will help with that, and it won't flicker as much. I'm gonna go ahead and install the reverse lights and see if it makes a difference or not. It's pretty straightforward. This plastic cover has to come off, and then I'll start recording what needs to be done next. So once you take this plastic trim off, just peel the carpet back, and then there's two of these, at least on mine. There was one right here and one right here. And this should just slide out now. So the reverse light bulb is the last one, which is right here. So just twist it. That's the light bulb, it's burnt out. That's why I didn't have rear tail lights. So it was just a direct fit. Pull the old bulb out, push this new one in, and then put it back in here. So that should be good. So what I'm gonna do is put this one back. Oh yeah, these are definitely brighter than just normal light bulbs. You can actually tell the difference. You can't tell on video, but I mean, they are a lot brighter. There we go. Got the other side installed too. Yeah, it's a lot brighter. You can definitely tell. Look at the garage door. This is definitely gonna help at night, especially if you got window tint. Again, these were the LED rear reverse lights that I installed. You get a year warranty with it, so it's not that bad. I think they're like $12 on Amazon. I'll leave a link to these in the description. And then I'm gonna go ahead now and install the headlights, or light bulbs, whatever you wanna call them. They're H11s. These were a little bit more expensive, I think like $35 or something like that. But this is straightforward, so I'm gonna show you guys anyways. So I already opened the box for the front lights. This is everything you get with it. I already had LEDs in the fronts. I ended up replacing them because they started making noise. And they got super dim, so I ended up putting regular light bulbs in it. These are a little bit different than the ones I had in the car. They have this box on the end. I don't think this car really needs that. I think this is more for like the BMWs and Audis, because they might throw a warning light on the dash or a light bulb, something on the dashboard. But I think this isn't really needed for this car. So this is straightforward too. All you have to do is pull this tab if you have it, and then remove the screw right here. It's a Phillips, or you can use, I think it's a 7 or 8 millimeter. And you just want to pull the whole headlight out. You can replace it while it's outside the car. It's easier anyways. And as you can tell, there's no room. Just disconnect this harness right here. The whole thing will probably come out like that, that's fine. I just want to do a quick little comparison. So the passenger side is replaced already with the LED light bulb, and the driver's side is still just a regular light bulb. And look at that difference. You can tell the difference. Look at how much better it looks on the passenger side. Don't mind the mess, but you can definitely tell a difference. So the one that you want to replace is this one. So unscrew the cap. Cap comes off, make sure the seal is still on there. Then what you want to do is, this is the normal light bulb, just twist it, pull it out, unhook it from this clip right here, this one. So all I did was literally just put this whole thing in the way it is. Didn't change nothing on it. It literally just goes in the same way the old one goes in, and you're good. So if I leave this out, I can't put the cover back on, and I don't want water getting in this headlight. So what I'm just gonna do is put the whole thing in here.
I'll just push the connector back in here.
The whole thing fits. And then just put your cap back on.